Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we were talking about something that is a bad idea last week, which are zip domains. And Bleeping Computer, and I will share their article, is showing that it's already been exploited in some ways to lure you into thinking that you're in the File Explorer and that you can actually have a zip file that contains whatever you want, but in reality, you're in a zip domain that tries to lure you into thinking that, well, what you're downloading is safe and correct. And basically, what happens is that there's a window that you see here, one of example of that. And it even goes to the point, because you see there's a scan button with the Microsoft Defender shield. So it even goes to the trouble of having that actually work. When you click on it, it kind of does what would look like a scan, and then it ends up telling you, oh, yeah, well, it's all right. There's no viruses in here. But in reality, there is. So you could see here that it gives you invoice.zip, for example, as their example. And you would think, well, that looks like a file explorer. But the problem is, if you look carefully at the top, it says File Explorer WinRAR Google Chrome. It tells you you're in Google Chrome. You're not in the File Explorer. So that's where you need to be careful in seeing what exactly and where you are. And a lot of people will never notice that. So, it's another example that they're showing this week, how this is and could be exploited in such a bad way. I'll share the complete Bleeping Computer article so that you can actually go and check it out if you want. It is very interesting, and once again, shows you that sometimes some people have ideas that are not necessarily that great. And this is an example of that. Having zip domains is definitely not great. Of course, there's also the domains for playback of videos, MOV for movie, but in reality, it's also a video format. So that also will be exploited in trying to lure you in clicking something. So be very careful what you do out there. It's really, really not fun to see that. We got already a lot of difficulty sometimes seeing the real from the fake on the web. Well, this is going to make it even more difficult for some. And so be very careful. Make sure that you notice that you're in a web page and not a real File Explorer page from your PC here. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.